everybody. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe. If you are new, I'm Laura, that's Zena, this is Wyatt, and we do a lot of subscription boxes, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, so please do hit that subscribe and hang out with us. All right, for today, my Fall Fab Fit Fun box is here, and we are going to see what goodies we get inside this box. So customizations felt like they just happened, and I already have the box. And I can't remember what I chose. So I do love that FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription. They do have you fill out a profile. However, they offer a lot of customizations, and there's several items you can choose in each of the customizations. So there's like one of usually 5 different items that you can choose from. So you get something that's fairly personalized to what you would like. So here is a pamphlet, right what I see as soon as I open my box. And here is what I see. So we're gonna dig in to see what goodies I have inside. All right, so inside the book, there's a QR code that you need to scan if you want to find out more information about any of the items inside your box. And FabFitFun is $49.99 a season. It is a seasonal subscription. It's usually valued at $200 or more, depending on which customizations you choose. And you usually get 6 to 8 full-size products in every box. If you do click on my link, which I'll put down below, you'll get at least, I think it's $10 off your first box. So I'll put all that information down below. First up, let me see here. I have a hat. And yes, I actively selected this. I thought it was really cool going into fall. This is called the Asn Hat. The MSRP price is $68. And it says the Harper Floppy Hat features ASN's staple braided design inspired by their classic boater's hat. The body of the hat is made of soft felt materials, and we love how darling it looks on absolute everyone. So it has an adjustable liner on the inside. This is a female-founded brand, and the materials are polyester, acrylic, and there's 1% wool. So I thought this was super cute. So, and it's by ASN, as you can see. I decided to give this one a try as one of my customizations. Of course, I have a clip in my hair today, so let's see if we can get this on. Cute with like boots and a jean dress. It's cute, right? All right, that's the first item. Next up, this is by Unite, 7-second detangler. So I'm usually all about leave-in conditioner, and that's what this is. It's valued at $32.50. It instantly detangles, prep, and protect hair with 7-second detangler. We love this protein-based formula because it leaves hair strong and healthy. It also seals the cuticle and protects against heat and UV rays. So it's good for all hair types, and I was in. So that's why I picked that one. Next up, this one is a personal air purifier. So I decided to try this and I thought I would keep it in my office. Let me see what it says about it. All right, so this one is valued at $99, and it says it creates a safe, comfortable breathing environment and removes up to 99% of the airborne particles, such as pollen, dust, and smoke, and it's so quiet you won't even know it's there. The filters are replaceable, and you can ensure your device is always filtering. Okay. So this is, and it has a HEPA filter. So I'm excited to give this a try. I spent a lot of time in my office, so I thought that might be the best place to put it. So I decided to give this one a try. I know people that have them and have enjoyed them, and thought that this would be a great way for me to get it at a great price. Next up, Collagen. So this is the Skin Chemist London Pure Collagen by Face Serum. Again, my pick. And this serum is essential morning and night. It hydrates, promotes skin cell renewal, smooths, and more. And we love the lightweight texture and how easily it absorbs. It's the perfect precursor to your daily moisturizer, so it goes on before. And the value of this is $39.90. So it's good for fine lines, loose skin, dryness, improving appearance of skin's texture and firmness. And the key ingredient is collagen. So it's also cruelty-free. Next, something by Dr. Brandt. I always love the Dr. Brandt products. And this one is the Hydrating Essence. And it is valued at $35. It's a water-based skincare solution that contains a high content of active ingredients to hydrate, protect, and boost the overall health of the skin. So it's grapeseed extract, rose extract, green tea leaf extract, and this is a 3.4 ounce. I do like the skincare. All right, what else did I pick? And you can choose add-ons as well. So once you go through, and you can even add on when you do your customization. So if you picked your choice that comes as part of your box, but you wanted some of the others and they're still available, you can add them for an additional price, which is usually around $10 or $15 each. And you can see most of these items are valued in the $30 plus range. So that is still a really significant discount. And then you can also do add-ons to your box and get more stuff if you want. I did not do any add-ons with this box. All right, so next up is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. This is valued at $49. And it says, we love how quickly this serum gets to work producing the lashes of your dreams. Okay, I had to try it. I know. This is what it looks like. It says, with a daily application that only takes a few seconds, the ultra nourishing formula features performance-based ingredients that work. 89% of users saw longer looking lashes within 6 weeks. Okay. And then 88% noticed a difference in their lashes within 6 weeks, and 90% felt more confident about their natural lashes. 100% said the serum is easy to use. All right, we're going to try it. This one is valued at $49. And then it looks like I got a little extra in here, which is the Bausch & Lomb Lumify Brimonade. What is this? Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. This is a sample, and I think it is, yeah, redness reliever. So that was not a pick, it's just an add-on. I'm kind of loving this hat. What do you think? I have on the wrong outfit for it, but picture this with a fall outfit. This is kind of cute. I like it. That's all my items. What did you think? I love the FabFitFun boxes. I do think it gives me a chance to try some of the more expensive products that I otherwise would not get. I also get to try things like the fun hat. You can get jewelry. There's so many different things that you can get in the FabFitFun box that I think it's great to try at the $49.99 price tag. I've been buying it for years now, and I still like it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I had fun bringing it to you. Hit that like if you did. Hit that subscribe before you go. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.